A tripod is a three-legged base used to stabilize cameras, lights, microphones, and other valuable technical equipment. Today, we're going to be showing how to use a tripod and how to attach a camera to one. The legs of a tripod are extendable, and each leg has one or two clasps on it used to extend or retract the length of the leg. But be careful, these clasps have been known to pinch, and they can hurt. Going around the tripod one at a time, unlock, extend, and then lock back each section of each leg of the tripod until you're all fully extended and you're able to stand your tripod up. Here is what a correctly balanced tripod looks like. Note, all three legs are extended to the same length. If your tripod is balanced correctly, your shot angle will be more in line with the rest of the scene, and you won't have to worry about dropping or possibly damaging your valuable equipment. Here you have your camera and the top plate to the tripod that you've been using. You can see here indicated the screw on the top plate that has a corresponding port on the bottom of your camera. This is what the top of a tripod looks like. You can see here the knob used to tighten and loosen the top plate of the tripod, and on the other side there's a button used as a security mechanism to slide the top plate off completely. You have to press this button or the top plate won't come off. Now that you've removed your top plate completely, you can see that the screw slides around freely. On the bottom of most top plates, including ours, there is an indicator saying lens, showing which way that you should orient the top plate when affixing it to your camera. First, using your hands, secure the screw into the port on the bottom of your camera, and then, once it's affixed, orient the plate so that the lens indicator is pointing the same direction your lens is pointing. At that point, you can use your quarter and tighten the screw until it is fixed securely. Don't over-tighten, or you may damage your camera. Be sure to attach the top plate to your camera correctly, as an insecure top plate could lead to sliding during filming, or in worst cases, falling off your tripod entirely. A correctly fastened top plate should have little to no give when you attempt to slide the camera up and down the length of the plate. When you're reinserting the top plate into your tripod mount, be sure to press the security mechanism so that the top plate can slide in smoothly. Once the plate is in, release the security mechanism and make sure that your camera is secured. At this point, you can tighten the knob and make sure to keep your camera in place. Another feature some tripods have is a level bubble indicator, used to show when you're on flat ground and your tripod and camera are level. And here we have our end result, a camera correctly attached and secured to a tripod. You can see that the camera is perfectly stable, and now it's not subject to the same variations that happen when held by a human hand. I hope the video has been informative for you, and I hope now you have an extra leg to stand on at your next photography event.